Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So we are in playlist of multi-threading. So I hope you have seen my all previous video what already I have uploaded. So guys, this is the last important video in the playlist of multi-threading. The topic is inter-thread communication. I hope you have seen my entire playlist. In that already have discussed all the important concept related to the multi-threading, but this is last but not least. So this topic is what is inter-thread communication. In that we can see how we are going to use wait, notify and notify all method in real-time example. So this is most important interview question as well. Most of the interviewer may ask this question in the interview room. So you should aware what is wait, notify and notify all. These three methods we don't have in our thread class. This all the method we have inside the object class. So why it is too important for us, that thing we'll discuss in this video. So without any further delay, we'll start our discussion about what is inter-thread communication, why it is too important for us in our Java implementation as well as interview room, right? Yes. So I have prepared complete one PDF. In that you can see what all the important point related to the multi-threading, what inter-thread communication. Guys, see, I have mentioned what is inter-thread communication, what is wait, notify and notify all. Understand with real world example. I will explain with real time example with code base, and I will show this programmatically how we are going to implement this concept so we can understand easily. So like any booking application, it might be book my show, make my trip, any booking application guy, right? Yes. Then guy, first we should aware what is inter-thread communication in multi-threading. What is inter-thread communication in multi-threading? Guys, see, just like you have heard earlier, what is inter-process communication? What is inter-process communication multi-threading? Already explained in initial video. If you didn't watch till now, so I would suggest first watch that first and second video. In that already have explained what is inter-process communication. But this video belongs to completely need to understand what is inter-thread communication. So we need to understand. So inter-thread communication, guys, is a mechanism in which a thread releases the lock and enter into pause state, and other thread acquire the lock and continue to execute it. This is the guy complete a small definition or understanding definition, so by which our concept will clear. Okay, so inter-thread communication is a mechanism, nothing, so in which a thread release the lock and enter into pause state until unless other thread will not complete its task. Okay, that guy you need to aware. Then guy, in other words or in other way we can understand also what. So inter-thread communication refers to the mechanism that allow multiple threads within the same Java application to coordinate their action and share resource efficiently when multiple threads are running concurrently and need to interact. So inter-thread communication becomes essential to ensure proper synchronization concept, avoid race condition and manage shared data. Because in your application guy, you will have multiple thread, right? So accordingly we need to accumulate the inter-thread communication. Correct? I hope you understood guy. If you didn't understood guy, please let me comment. I will explain in some other way guy. Okay? Yes. Then guys, see. So the primary method, right guy? The primary method used for inter-thread communication in Java, we know very well what? Wait, notify and notify all. because all these three methods we don't have inside our what thread class. All the methods we have in object class already I mentioned here, which are methods of the object class. These methods are typically used within synchronous block or methods to ensure that only one thread can access the shared resource at a time. Okay, I hope you understood, right? So guys, so inside the inter-thread communication, we have three important methods, right? So first method is what is wait method, because might be you people heard so many times in application in the interview room, right? What is wait method? So guys, see, this is very important method in our multi-threading inside the inter-thread communication. If you are going to perform inter-thread communication in multi-threading, definitely these three methods are very essential to what use in every places. So guys, a thread calls wait method on an object to release the lock on the object and enter a waiting state. Guys, see, it release the lock on that object and enter a waiting state. So it will come into the what waiting state. The name it will wait. So it will release the lock on the object and it will become say and it will go inside the waiting state. So guys, it will remain in this state until other thread called notify. Until other thread will not call the notify or notify method till it will be in waiting state on the same object. That is our wait method. I hope guys you understood. If you not able to understand, please read out 2 to 3 times this definition. Definitely I hope you will understand. So guys, see, in other words, if any thread calls the wait method, it calls the current thread to release the lock and wait until another thread invokes the notify or notify all. I will show this thing in example guys. So for the subject or a specified amount of time has elapsed because we have two overloaded wait method in our what object class. Okay, you can see. So public final void wait through interrupted exception. That guy wait until object notify. Then second overload method of wait method guy, that is it expect some time. So how much time you will tell to this wait method to wait. So other method will notify to this method. Okay, that is two overload method we have in the what inter-thread communication of wait method. That is one is without any expected time. Okay, so once other thread will complete its task, then it will notify okay to this object. And guys, one wait method is it expects some time. How much interval they can wait or how much time it will wait to other method it can notify. Right? So guys, that you need to understand, right? Then guys, see what is notify and notify all method. This is all two methods also we have in our object class. Guys, see, notify means what? This method is called on an object to wake up a single arbitrary thread that is currently waiting on that object monitor. Already I've told you, once any thread will comes into waiting state, that means other thread will notify. So I already completed our task. Then you can what? It can release the lock and it notify the other method. So now you can execute your task. Okay. Same guy, you can see here that is our syntax. Or also guy, you can understand in different way what is notify method. So this method is used to wake up a single thread and release the object lock. Okay, see that is syntax. So public final void notify. Okay, similarly we have other method that is notify all. So this method is used to wake up all thread guy. In first notify you can see only single thread, right? Notify means it can what? Notify only single thread to execute to start the execution starts, right? But in notify all means this method is used to wake up all threads that are in waiting state. Correct guy? I hope guy you understood, right? The syntax of notify all means public final void notify all. Correct guy? Yes. So you see important point to keep remember. for inter-thread communication. What the point we can keep in mind? So to call wait, notify and notify method on any object, thread should on the log of that object. That is the thread should be what? Inside synchronized area. I will explain here with example, don't worry. So you see, now I will explain some use case. One use case I will explain. With that, you will come to know what is inter-thread communication in programmatically, but in scenario based. So how much earning will get after selling the ticket? Will understand this scenario guy with our code base. So suppose we will take one moving application guy, movie booking application. It might be you are going into watch the movie in PVR or Inox, right? So that time you are going to buy the ticket, right? So we will have one movie what booking application. In that, because we have seen already have explained so many movie booking application, but in this application I will explain after buying the ticket. After buying the ticket by PVR or Make My Trip, any booking application guy, Inox, PVR, Book My Make My Trip, any booking application. Once they have sold all the entire ticket, so how much they are going to earn the money, right? That earning money, how we are going to implement with the help of code, Java code using inter-thread communication. That scenario I will explain. So first I will explain without using the inter-thread communication. First I will show you what is the problem. Suppose if we are not going to use inter-thread communication in our application, what the problem you may face. But once you face the problem, then how we are going to resolve the issue? That resolution of the issue, we are going to use inter-thread communication, right? So that thing I will explain end to end. Please be concentrated. So guys, see, I am going to our ID, because with the help of ID only we will explain how we are going to implement that scenario. So guys, see, you know, right? So already I have one multi-threading package, right? So in that package guy, I am going to create one movie booking application. Guys, this time I am creating what PVR booking application. I am creating one guy class, that is guys, suppose PVR theater booking application. Correct guy? Yes. I have created one PVR theater booking application, right? Yes. In that guy, we should have one main method, right? Yes. Done. Guys, see, I have created guy. Please be concentrated. It's very simple guy. This application is very simple. First, I will explain without inter-thread communication used method. That means wait, notify all, how our application is behaving, right? What is the problem? Once we will get the problem, then I will explain how we can resolve that problem, right? Yes. So for the purpose, I have created one class. That class name is PVR theater booking application, right? Yes. I hope till this you should not have any confusion, right? Yes. Guys, see, now I am going to create one other class guy. I am going to create one other class. That class name guy me what? Class total earning. Okay, class total earning. That class will extend with our thread class guy. So extends thread, right? Extends thread guy. You see, I have created one class. That class name is guy total earning. So how means, suppose if you will have 100 seat in the PVR theater, right? Suppose if we have 100 seat in the PVR theater. So after selling the 100 seat, how much earning we will get? That thing I will explain, right? Yes. So you see, total earning is a class, and this class extends with our thread class, right? Yes. Guys, see, initially guy I can mention, so in thread class guy, you know very well, we have one override run method, right? So guys, see, you can see public void run, right? Yes, this run method, right? Yes. Or guys, directly if you can write here void run, so that is our override method, right? Yes. Okay, no problem. So guys, that run method, right? Yes. And guys, that method is our what? Override method, right? Yes. Correct guys? Yes. So public void run is our guy what? Override method, correct? Yes. Why is giving error guy? Okay, no problem, we'll see. Yes. Yes. Guys, see. So guys, see, after overriding guy run method, after overriding the run method, what we can do? Guys, see, suppose if we have 100 tickets guy, if we have 100 tickets, so I am taking one for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than equals to 100, and I plus plus, right? Yes. So you see, I have, suppose I have 100 ticket, and after selling 100 ticket, how much earning we will get, correct? Guys, see. So guys, initially our amount, so you see, int total amount equals to get 0, right? So initial guy, we, because all the ticket as of now we didn't sell, because we need to sell 100 ticket guy. So initially we don't have any what? Money. Okay guys. So in total amount is our what? 0 rupees guy. So once we'll sell the entire 100 ticket, then how much earning we are getting, that thing our guy main focus to implement, okay? So guys, see, so what I have done as of now, I have created one total earning class. The class is extended with thread class, and already override the run method. In the run method guy, I have what? I have mentioned we have 100 ticket need to sell. After selling the 100 ticket, how much total amount we are getting, correct? Yes. So guys, see, now what we can do here. So now we can go in our main method, right? Yes. In the main method guy, first I will create the object of our this class, correct? Yes. Guys, see, our class is guy, you know, total earning, correct? Yes. Come here guy. So total earning TE equals to what? New total earning. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, correct. So I have created the object of our total earning class, correct? Yes. Then guys, see, you know very well. So if you would like to what? Start what? Run method. That means we need to run what? Start our run method. TE dot start, right? T dot start. So with that, our run method will be what? Activated. This thing you know very well. If you don't know, please go in my all the entire video of multi-threading. Will come to know how we are going to create the thread, how we are going to activate the run method with the help of start method. That thing will come to know. No problem. I hope you know all these things. Good? Yes. Guys, see, after starting this thread, right? After starting this thread, so we can print the result. How we can print result? How much total amount we got after selling the entire 100 ticket? Yes or no? Guys, see. For the purpose, guy, I can write what? Sys out. What, guy? Sys out. Sys out. So, guy, so total earning amount, I can get print the statement. What? Total earning after selling all 100 ticket. Correct? 100 tickets plus what? TE dot total amount. Yes or no? Total amount. Then plus RS. Correct? Yes. Yes. So guys, that thing we can print. So after selling the total 100 seat, how much? What price? How much money we got? So guys, first, so we can write one simple check here, guys. Not check, guys. So how we going to find the total amount of our after selling the ticket? So guys, see total amount, because initially we have 0 rupees, right? Because we didn't sell any ticket, right? So we can write here total amount equals to total amount plus 250. Because suppose if we have ticket cost, per ticket cost is 250, suppose, right? So once we have sell one ticket, so initially get ticket cost is 0 rupees. Once first ticket has sold out, that we can get total amount is 250. Second is 500. Third is 750. Fourth is 1000. So that means 100 seats means we will get 25,000, right? Yes or no? If we will sell 250 ticket, so 100 ticket, we will get 25,000, right? Yes. So how we are going to calculate this thing without using our what? InterThread communication used method. That means wait, notify all. So this application will see what response it is printing. We'll see after selling the 100 ticket how much amount we got, right? Without using InterThread communication used method. That means wait, notify all. So we'll see the response is coming as expected or not. If it is not coming expected, why it is not coming expected? So what is the solution for that? I will explain after running this application. Understand, guys? So now let me run this application, guys. Java application, right? Yes. Guys, see. Guys, what we got, guys? Total earning after selling all 100 ticket is 0 rupees. Oh my god. Why, sir? Why a myth? Because we have written everything is correct, right? We have written everything is correct. Even we are getting 0 rupees. So guys, tell me, is it correct? After selling the PVR theater, so the owner of the PVR theater, what it will do, guys? Definitely he will frustrated. Ticket has sold 100 ticket, but he didn't get a single rupees. Okay, you can see he didn't get a single rupees. He get 0 rupees. Why? Okay, that is the problem. Without using wait notify all. Okay, that is the problem. So how we can resolve this problem? So our inter-thread communication came into picture. To resolve this issue, our inter-thread communication concept came into picture. If anybody asks you, hey, why you are using inter-thread communication concept in multi-threading, then you can show this example. Okay, you can show this example. Then they will come to know, okay, this is the place we can use our inter-thread communication concept. Okay, most of the candidate or person know this thing, guy, but the guys who don't know this thing, so for them it is very helpful, because this question may ask in the interview room, what do you know about inter-thread communication? If you know inter-thread communication, if you know inter-thread communication concept, then you can able to give the answer perfectly. Yes or no? Yes. So as you know, I will explain how we are going to use this inter-thread communication used method in our implementation. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. Guys, see, before that I will explain something. What, guy? So guys, see, in main method, guy, so guys, this place we have two thread. In this application we have two thread. One thread, guy, belongs to main thread, and one thread is, guy, our child thread. That child thread, guy, is our thread 0. You know very well. How will come to know name of the thread? So guys, one thread is main thread, one thread is thread 0. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see, when main thread started its task, when main thread start to execution its task, so once it will reach to this place, guys. So once you can see create this object, it start t.start. After starting, guys, this child thread starting his execution, correct? Yes. But guys, before completion of this execution by child thread, before completion of this task by child thread, main thread printed this result. Yes or no? Because this task is doing by main thread. But you can see in line 24, t.start. Once you are what writing this t.start, that means run method is what start to execution. So it start execution what? So it is starting. So ticket 1, 2, 3, 4, right? To till 100. Okay, till 100, guy. Yes or no? So before completion of this execution by child thread, main thread is printing this thing. Yes or no? T dot total amount, because initially you can see total amount is 0. That's why you can see here result is 0 rupees. Okay, it's absolutely incorrect. It is absolutely incorrect. This should not be happen. So guys, that's why wait method came into picture. That's why wait method came into picture. So what wait method does? So wait method does means what? So it will ask to the main thread. Wait method means it will ask to the main thread, hey, please wait. Please wait until unless the child thread will not complete its task. Till that time you can wait. Yes or no? Once the child thread will complete its task, and child thread will notify you, hey, I have completed my task, now you can execute your task. Yes or no? Guy, I hope you are getting it. Again, guy, once again I am explaining. Please understand. So guy, so when main thread is start to execution, so first it will create the object here, then it started t.start. So guys, when t.start means, guy, so child thread is activated, means run method is activated and started to is execution. But before completion of this run method task, main method is printing this result t dot total amount, but initially total amount is 0. That's why you could see here total earning after selling all ticket is 0 rupees. But this should not be happen. Why? Because before printing this main thread statement, our child thread executing some task. So until unless if this child thread not completed execution, we cannot print anything by main thread. That's why guys, what we are doing here, please concentrate. I am what? First commenting this line, and I am writing guy one synchronized block. Guy, I am writing one synchronized block. Guy, I am writing one synchronized block. Guys, see synchronized. So guys, see in synchronized guy, I am writing here te. This guy, this is our object. Yes, so I am telling to this synchronized block here. I am passing this object. Okay. So what guy? Te dot wait. I am telling t dot wait means now main thread will release its lock. Right? T dot wait. So main method now it's coming to the waiting state. Guys. Now main method will come into waiting state until unless child thread will not notify to the main thread. I have completed my task. Now you can go in our execution. Yes or no? Guy, I hope you are understanding. So if main thread will tell to, if child thread will notify to main thread, hey, I have completed my execution. Now you can execute your execution. Correct? So guys, see, now you can see guys, we can see here some exception is rising. So guys, this exception you may handle with the help of try catch block or throws. Guys, see, I am clearing writing throws interpreted exception. Right? Yes. With that guy, you can see our this error has removed. Correct. So guys, see, now main thread has released the lock. Right? It's come into our waiting state. Correct guy? Yes. Now guys, see what I am doing. Please concentrate. So now our child thread will acquire the lock. Our child thread will acquire the lock. So guys, how it will acquire lock? We can use synchronize. Yes or no? We can use synchronize. Yes or no? Synchronize. Guys, see. So guys, this time guys, this synchronize. Guys, synchronize means what? This acquire the lock. So guys, what the lock acquired? So guys, this means this object. Current class object. Yes or no? Current class object will acquire the lock. So once this child class done its execution, then this will notify. Then guys, this will notify to main thread. Hey, I have done my task. I have done my task. Yes or no? Yes. I have done my task. Correct? Yes. So this dot notify. This dot notify. Guys, see, yes or no? Once it has done its task, then guys, it asks me what? This dot notify. Yes or no? Guys, see 1 minute. This dot notify. So once it is done its task, then it is notifying to the main thread. Yes or no? Notifying to the main thread. What? So I have done my task. Now I am going to notify you. You can execute your task. Then guys, what we can do? So guys, we can do, so I can copy this thing and print this place. Right? Yes or no? Yes. So guys, I hope you understood. So what we are doing here, I will explain one more time. First, let me explain this thing. So first let me execute this application. So as of now, our expected earning amount will be 25,000. Yes or no guys? Yes. We can see guys. Let me run the application. Guys see. I've told you guys. Now total earning after selling all 100 tickets is how much guys? 25,000. Now owner of the PVR theater will becomes very happy. Oh my god, at least I got total amount what we have total seat. We have total seat is 100. So per seat is 250 rupees. The 100 will becomes 25,000. Correct guys? So guys see, with this mechanism, with this approach, that approach is called guys inter-thread communication with the help of wait and notify method. Guys see, notify all means if you will have multiple thread in waiting state. If you will have multiple thread in waiting state, and if you call notify all means it will what? Notify all the method which are in waiting state. But as of now you have only one thread which are in waiting state, that is main thread. That's why we can write in here only notify method. But all these three methods we have inside the object class. I hope you understood guys. So guys, that is the main important concept in our multi-threading, inter-thread communication. So if you are going to learn inter-thread communication, so this video will very helpful for you. So for understanding the concept, without using wait notify all method, what the problem you may face. But if you are going to use wait and notify method, then how are you going to solve your problem? Guys see, you may have seen in your project, in your application, sometimes we are explicitly giving defined some time. So 1000 second, 2000 second, 5000 second. So that much of time this thread will wait to what? Other thread. Yes or no? It will wait some few seconds, 5000 second, 1000 second. So that was the other overloaded wait method. Guys, I hope you are getting right. You have seen maybe in your project, sometimes you may use wait 5000 seconds. That means 5 seconds this thread will wait for other thread. So once it will not, suppose other thread is not giving notification. Suppose this thread will not notify this thread, you can execute this task. That means automatically after 5 seconds this thread will start to execute. Yes or no guys? Yes. This thing guys, this is your assignment, you can check. Okay, so how you can use the second overloaded wait method when we are explicitly passing some duration of time. Correct guys? So guys, I hope you have understood entire concept what I explained. So guys, this is completion of our this playlist, that is multi-threading. Guys, this completes our multi-threading entire playlist. We have seen this all topic I explained one by one. So 1 to 17 I explain all the entire concept in this playlist. If you have any confusion guys, any question, please do me comment in the comment section, so I will reply once I will get time guys. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like my video guys, please like, share, subscribe. So I will bring guys such type of important playlist in front of you guys. So in coming now in next playlist guys, I will start our collection topic, so which is also most important, right? So in that you will come to know how, why collection is too much important in our Java implementation. That's it guys from this video. If you like the video, once again I am telling you, like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. We'll meet very soon with new playlist with new concept. Bye bye guys.